Working in this VR lab on computer is just
Welcome
like
to the
playing
Strength
computer
Test
game.
Lab. In this
Listen
lab,
to sound
you will learn
instructions
about
and
the
watch out
impact
for visual
testing,
clues.
why and how do we do that, conduct experiment.
Use
Welcome.
keyboard arrows
What
to
would you
move
like
and
to
mouse
do
to
and learn
control
today?
orientation
Please
direction.
select your option.
Try
You
moving
can come
around
back
in lab
this
to
menu
practice
for
control
next
over
activity.
movement.
Okay, sure. We will guide you step by step for conducting the
Right-click
impact
on mouse to
test.
see hand symbol in
Please
white color.
select your option,
Move the hand
IZOD
cursor
or
over object
Sharpie,
and
on the
left-click to
next
select.
screen.
Right-click to show hand symbol. To grab an object, take hand cursor over object. Any grabbable object will get highlighted. Once highlighted, left-click and hold to grab. Once you have grabbed the object, move the mouse hand as if to move the object in direction.
Great. Now, the first step is to determine the frictional loss in the machine. Please turn the lever anti-clockwise to release the hammer. The frictional energy loss will be displayed on the screen.
Right-click to show hand symbol. To grab an object, take hand cursor over object. Any grabbable object will get highlighted. Once highlighted, left-click and hold to grab. Take the object closer to the target space. You can use mouse scroll wheel to extend
Good.
hand or pull
now
hand
turn
sway.
the lever anti-clockwise to release the hammer, which will impact with the specimen. The absorbed energy will be displayed on the screen.
Release the mouse, left-click to drop
Great
the
going.
object.
Press the reset.